Welcome to Real Life Wednesday, and I have a hard truth for you today. Everyone's fat threshold is different. Some people carry a lot of extra weight and stay metabolically healthy for years, while others hit a problem at just 10 to 20 pounds overweight. And yes, it does feel unfair, but it's the reality. Our bodies each have a personal fat threshold, and that's the point at which our fat no longer can be safely stored in our fat cells. And boy, once we exceed it, fat starts spilling into the liver, the pancreas, and our muscles. And then that's when insulin resistance, high blood pressure, and fatty liver kick in. So two people can weigh the exact same weight, but one is already dealing with diabetes or hypertension while the other isn't, because their fat thresholds are different. So here's today's nugget. The truth bomb is this: it's not just about weight, it's about where your body can safely store fat. Once that space is maxed out, then that's when the problems begin. So I've had clients tell me it's so unfair. My friend is heavier than me and has perfect labs, while I'm struggling with blood pressure and blood sugar. And they're right. It feels unfair, and in a way it is. But understanding your threshold gives you the power to do something about it. If you want to understand this topic, fat threshold, on a deeper level, it's all about lipotoxicity, toxic fat in the wrong places. I dive into this in my long form video on lipotoxicity. It's going to be posted this week, so watch for it. Well, that's your Real Life Wednesday. And remember, your fat threshold is unique. A lot of different things can go into that. Your genetics, of course, is one, and your diet is another. And protecting it might be the most single important thing you can do for your health. I'll see you tomorrow for Biohack Thursday.